Hello guys, I appreciate y'all for being here. Let's get in. Today I'm going to show you how I do a soft smoky eye. For this tutorial, I will only use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I will start with Roxane as a transition shade. As I'm going up, I'm doing some circular motion so that it could blend nicely. Now I'm placing mocha in my outer corner and crease. I will go little bit by little bit for a better blend. I come back with Roxane again to blend mocha. To add some depth, I'm adding Central Park mainly in the other corner and at the end of my crease. After that, I will blend around it with mocha. Then blend with Roxane again. All nice and smooth. To make sure the shade I will put on my lid will be visible, I will clean the space with some eyeshadow base. Once I'm done, I will take off the excess to avoid any creasing. Now I will place Pukey everywhere I put my eyeshadow base. I will do this with a patting motion so the shade will pop more. After that, I will blend the edges with mocha. Then blend again with Pukey. And that's it for the eyeshadows. Time for eyeliner. I choose to do it differently this time. That's why I'm struggling a bit. Okay, so starting at the end of my eyebrow, but instead of going to the end of my eye, I'm going straight for the middle of my eye. Oh baby! Now another line to the end of my eye. Then the rest is self-explanatory. I'm done with the eye part. See you at the end result. Bam! Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on to get notified every time I post a video. See you soon, Bellas!